Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Arena. And today we are going to be making this contact us page in our graphics and illustrations website design in Figma. So if you want the whole tutorial on this, the link to the whole tutorial is in the description. Make sure to watch that. So to make the contact us page, the first step is when it comes to the contact us page, everybody. So what we have to do is select this testimonials and click alt or copy this and just keep it here and write here contact us and make this contact us size to 60, right? From 87 you have to write here 60, and of course you have to keep it here. Let me show you the grid of it, right? How does it look along with the grid? You have to stick your contact us option here in the left side, and then you have to make a text box, and you have to go with this Poppins font style, and you have to write here send us a message, and you have to keep your size as 36, okay, and make this color as white but with 66% of, we could say, opacity, or 66% of whiteness, we could say, right? Are you guys cleared with what I said just right now? I'm not gonna repeat it. So you guys have to pay attention for it, and if you have any doubts, just ask me quickly. First, do these two things, and after doing this, you have to make a rectangle, and you have to curve the borders to 20, and you have to go with the inter font. You have to make a text box. You have to write your full name with the inter font style with the font weight of 24, and you have to keep it in middle and not in the left side. And yeah, you have to keep the color as black but with the 50% of blackness, okay? Same with the email, same with the your message, but the box should be big, and button should be also the same as above buttons. Just keep this corner as 13, and also just copy these all things as you did in your contact us page, same as side map, okay? And keep your logo here, keep the number and all here, just some common things. And after you are done with the contact us page, what we can do is I'm gonna teach you all how to make these kind of circles and how to make these kind of beautiful shadows, right? Okay, so let me teach you all. First you have to make a circle, right? After making a circle, you guys have to give the color this baby purple, and after that choose click on effects and choose layer blur, and go to the effect settings and keep the blur to 300, right? And keep it here, okay, keep it here, it will be easy for you. Repeat these all things with these circles, right?